inequalities. And when you are graphing linear inequalities, these are the steps you need to follow. You need to first pretend that instead of an inequality sign, it just has a normal equal sign. And you need to make it look like y equals mx plus b, and then graph it. So I'll do an example as I go through these steps. Say you have something like y is less than 3x plus 4. For just a moment, you need to pretend that this is just an equal sign, that what this says is y equals 3x plus 4. Because you need to graph this line. And if you put it in this slope-intercept form, you're going to be able to have the slope and where it crosses the y, and you're going to be able to graph it. So you'll have your coordinate plane, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's say this is going to be my x-axis, and so I'm going to cross at 1, 2, 3, 4, because that's my y-intercept, and then my slope is going to be up 3 over 1. So 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3. So this is my line. So you start off just graphing your line. The next thing you do is you look at what this sign is. If it is a less than or equal to or a greater than or equal to, then it's a solid line. If it's just a less than or just a greater than, it's a dashed line. So since mine was just a less than, this is actually a dashed line. So it's not a straight line. Okay, the last step is what's tricky for students. You are saying y is less than 3x plus 4. So you need to pick a test point that's not on this line. So usually people use 0, 0 as their test point. And you decide if that's true. So you plug in, if y is 0 and x is 0, then 0 equals 3 times 0 would be 0, 4. And sorry, this isn't actually an equals, it's a less than. 0 less than 4. If that's a true statement, then you're going to shade the side that has the test point on it. So that means everything over here is shaded. If this is a false statement, say it said 0 was bigger than 4, then you would shade everything on the other side. So I'll give you one more example. Okay. So let's say we have x plus y is less than or equal to 2. So the first thing I'm going to do is pretend this is an equal sign. So I'm going to say x plus y equals 2, and I'm going to get it in that y equals mx plus b form. So I'm just going to minus my x, minus my x. So y equals negative x plus 2. And I just put the x in front because it doesn't matter if you have 2 minus x or negative x plus 2. I like it to look exactly like this. So now I'm going to graph my line. Okay, so I have plus 2, and my slope is negative 1. When there's just a negative x, that means the slope is negative 1. So I'm going down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. So my line looks something like this. Then, step 2 is you look back at what this original sign was. And since it had an or equal to, that means it's a solid line. So this is solid. And then my last step is my test point. So I'm going to erase this. And since this line doesn't go through 0, 0, it's okay for me to use 0, 0 as my test point. If for some reason the line goes right through the origin, you can pick any test point. You could pick 1, 1, you could pick 2, 2, you could pick -8, 5. It doesn't matter what point you pick. It's just that you're plugging it into this equation. So x is 0, y is 0. And you're seeing if when I solve it, it creates a true statement. Since this is true, 0 is less than or equal to 2, that means this spot right here where that test point is, this is going to be the side that gets shaded. And you're done. And that is how you solve linear inequalities.